I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I have shoulder length, pretty full hair, but I don't get a really nice full bun. It just looks chintzy. You know, you see those women who have really gorgeous long hair and they put their hair up and they get this like really thick, really nice bun. I don't get that. My hair is too short. So I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. So between you and me, this is a really good way to get a fuller bun without having really long hair. So to do that, I am going to use a clear elastic and a donut. I know, you're like, what is that? This is the coolest thing. I'll link everything you need below, and this is my little secret to getting a really nice full bun. Comes in different colors, it's not expensive, but it's the perfect little thing to create the illusion of a beautiful, thick bun. I love it. It's my secret. Shh, don't tell anybody. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I like to do. So I have two-day-old hair. I washed my hair yesterday. I did use some of the Rising Star volumizing spray yesterday, and this is what it looks like right now. I did brush it and whatever today, but this is like the end of the day and I want to have my hair up. So what I would do is go in with a comb like this. I give myself a little bit of back combing for a little height, and it doesn't need to be too fussy, too perfect. We don't need perfect. We just want to look like we threw our hair up in a bun, and yeah, it just looks pretty fabulous. So just do a little bit of like that, and we have the hairspray and the volumizing whatever spray to secure anything that we want. But what I like to do is take about this amount of hair, or a little bit more from the sides. Yeah, probably a little bit more, like this, because we're gonna use this later. So I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna take the same amount on the other side. So I'm just taking sections from each side, and I'm gonna put them up here in a little knot like this. We're gonna use them in a minute, okay? And then the rest is going down the back. So it just looks like this, right? And then we're gonna take the rest, so we have the hair going down the middle, and we have the bottom. Just make sure you're not missing any hair from the bottom, and you're gonna put it in a low bun, right? You're gonna take a low ponytail, excuse me. So you're gonna take your elastic, your clear elastic, and you're gonna put the rest of the hair in a low bun like this. Now you, depending on your hair, one or two or three little twists, right? So now you've got a low bun, right? Everything's up. I mean a low ponytail, so you've got everything in a low ponytail like that. Once you have your hair in your low ponytail, you're gonna take the donut and put it over the low ponytail like this, right? And then you're gonna separate the hair into a top and a bottom portion, right? So you're gonna take it into two sections, and you can fan it around the donut like this, because you wanna make sure it's covered. And you wanna be able to tuck it under so that you hide the hair. So kind of like this. And then you can take the hair on the bottom and do the same. Just, you want to be able to tuck it around your bun. Like that. See how I've sort of tucked it all the way around? I have a little pieces coming, so that's fine. I just need to tuck it in. I'm going to hold it right there. And then once I have all the sort of pieces held in place like that, I'm going to take some hairpins, and I'm going to, I have these U-pins. I'm going to put those in, and they kind of grab the hair. They're kind of better than a bobby pin because they can hold the hair and grab it. And then just make sure that it's in place. So there is all the hair in place with the hair, like that, right? Okay, now what we want to do is take the hair off the top of your head, and then you're just gonna pull it. And again, so you're just gonna wanna take the hair down. So I've got the one side like this, and I'm gonna bring it around the bun, like that. And I'm gonna secure it with a hairpin down here. Like that. Take the other side, you're gonna go over and around like this. And get another hairpin. I actually have a bobby pin, so I'll use a bobby pin for this side. That in. And then you have secured. And if you feel like it needs a little bit more stability, you can add some more hairpins or some bobby pins to keep it in place. And that's totally doable. You can just sort of go in and keep it secure. Like this. And just make sure, feel it, look in a mirror, make sure everything is going. Now I have some bangs that are coming down here and here. I can either leave them like this, or I could go in and lightly spray them back like this into place, and this one too. I have a little hair that's coming down right here, I can feel it. So I'm just gonna take another bobby pin, this one right here, I can feel it. So I'm just gonna go in, add a little bobby pin, secure it right there, like that. And then take my spray. I don't mind it being a little soft, like that. And then tuck that in. I feel like there's a little piece over here that is kind of coming out. So I'm gonna add another little bobby pin here, just so it's not like flying away. Let me show you full circle. I did look in the mirror and everything is pretty good. I don't care that it's not perfect. And you can see a few of the bobby pins or hairpins. To me, that's fine. I just love the fact that it's easy, it's quick. You can get in and out the door with a really pretty updo that is a little glamorous and a little fuller than you may have with your own hair. And it gives you so much more flexibility, I think, when you wanna have like a really pretty like updo or like a low bun on your hair. So let me turn around and I'm gonna show you what it looks like all done. What do you think? Do you like it? It's pretty good, right? And it's so easy, so simple. You just need a few little things. You need the donut and out the door. Now, if this is gonna bother you, this little soft swoop, and you have bangs, then you could always pin it back. You could add a little pretty, you know, like a little pretty diamond pin here or a clip or something. Or if you don't have that and your hair goes back naturally. Now, this doesn't bother me. I like the softness around my face. If you had hair and you wanted to pull it out, you could do that as well. I kind of like it very simple and sort of not sleek, but just soft around my face. And that is my little secret for having a beautiful, fuller, low bun. So let me know in the comments, are you gonna try this? Have you ever used a donut? Will you try it in the future? So let me know in the comments what you think. Think it's a good one? I have had this for so long and I use it on and off for fun, quick, easy updos, and I thought that you might like it too. So definitely leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you like these hair videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. You'll get notified when new videos go up. If you want makeup, I got that too, so check out those videos. And thank you so much for being with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time.